Hey guys, I am Miki. I have a good news to all of you. I'm not sharing recipe today. I have an announcement to make. Okay, Miki's Food Archives is collaborating with Photobook Worldwide, and we are giving away beautiful personalized photo books for free. Okay, and here I have two samples that I have printed. I made this for my boy as birthday present, and I think yeah, these are better than any toys that I can make. I can buy for him. I don't make toys. Alright, yeah, these are mine, so you will only see my pictures in there. If you want to make yours, you have to submit your photos and make your own. You can submit your baby's photos, family photos, or holiday photos like this one. Food photos if you have any. Yeah, it's quite interesting, you know. Let me show you. Yeah, these are some of the cute food photos that I have printed. If you all want to learn how to make this, you have to go to my blog. Okay. Yeah, these are the holidays photos, just some of it. Okay. Alright, the free photo book that we are giving away is this size, 6" by 6". Okay, 20 pages. And I have a details written in my blog post. You can tap the link and follow the step-by-step instructions, apply the code and redeem your free copy. Right, here's a quick one. Okay, this is the apps that you have to download first. Okay, Photobook, just tap in, select simple books and select 6" by 6" simple book. Yeah, this book actually worth $33.90 Singapore dollars. Okay, yeah, so now we are giving away for free. Please redeem yours. Each of you can redeem up to 10 free photo books, and it's available worldwide. No matter you're in Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, US, Australia, or anywhere. You can just download the apps, submit your photos and make your own personalized beautiful photo books. Alright, I hope you like what we are offering, and have a nice day. Bye bye.